Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start inside Google Docs with a document open. Once done, click File, then hover over Language to reveal the immediate menu. You should already be signed into the account that owns the document so changes stick. Make sure to choose the document-level language first. This affects spell check and suggestions inside that file. If you want the change across Drive and other apps, plan to update your Google account language next. This is the quick first action to set the right locale. Once you've opened the language menu, scroll or type to find the exact language variant you need. Click it to apply immediately. You'll notice spell check and grammar suggestions adjust. Confirm by typing a sentence with language-specific chars. If suggestions don't change, make sure the document language actually applied. Reopen file language to verify. If multiple documents need changing, change your Google account language in Account Settings so new documents default to the same locale. You're nearly done. Refresh the document to ensure the language setting takes effect and rerun tools spelling and grammar to force Google Docs to reevaluate the text. If the language still seems wrong, check your browser language and Google account preferences. Mismatches can override document settings. As a final troubleshooting tip, clear the browser cache or open Docs in an incognito window. This resolves cached locale conflicts and confirms whether the problem is local or account level.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.